clinicians come with all sorts of research expertise. Some of them are being very, very experienced, having multi-million-pound research grants, but others who are just embarking on the process of research. So the work we do with early career researchers is quite different from the work that we do with more seasoned researchers. For those who are just embarking on their research journey, we look at two things. One is we look at supporting their research education. So for some people, they may have a master's degree and they want to undertake a PhD to enable them to develop the skills required in order to become independent researchers in the future. So we work with them to see how best they can achieve those goals in attaining a research qualification such as a PhD. However, there may be others with PhDs already but haven't embarked on a journey of their first, or haven't had their first major research grant as an independent researcher. For those groups of people, we work with them to help them develop their research protocol, to develop their research ideas, because as clinicians, they have wonderful research ideas that potentially have a huge impact in terms of how they might benefit patients, or indeed how they might benefit the NHS at large. But what they need is they need our support, or indeed the support of other academics, to develop those ideas, those clinical ideas, into research questions and ways in which we can answer those research questions with robust methodologies. So the work we do around there is to develop the research question, to develop a protocol, to bring together a team, because sometimes we might not necessarily have all the expertise in-house. We might not have statisticians or health economists or implementation scientists. And one of the things that we can do as research and innovation leads are to identify people in academia or indeed industry who might be able to provide this expertise. And again, it's a question of matchmaking, identifying the right kind of people to bring together to form a team to put this application forward. We also look at whether or not the chief investigator requires a mentor. Oftentimes, funders are keen to see mentorship for chief investigators who don't have expertise in or don't have the track record of delivering large-scale research grants. Mentorship is organised to enable people to act as co-chief investigators, for example, to enable them to support the chief investigators through the processes, but also to allay any concerns that the funders might have in the manner in which they're investing their money.